The following message is to Bakersfield Police Department. This child is scared by the Red Noob from Roblox in the bedroom in the southwestern Bakersfield. The child's name is David Anderson. The child is 4 years old. The child have red shirt, blue shorts, and white and gray socks. Why the child scared? Because the Red Noob got a rocket launcher. The police will be found a 4-year-old boy that gets scared by the Red Noob from Roblox in southwestern Bakersfield. Stay tuned for more news and local area. The following message is to Bakersfield Police Department. 15 minutes ago, 4-year-old boy is scared by the Red Noob from Roblox using a rocket launcher. 11 minutes later, police found it to 4-year-old hiding in the closet from the Red Noob. Right now, the Red Noob is flying in the air and is about to blow up houses and places for using a rocket launcher. All residents in Bakersfield will lock all windows and doors with tapes and towels. Don't go outside because the Red Noob will kill you. Stay tuned for more news and local area. The following message is to Las Vegas Police Department. At 5:35 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, the Red Noob is flying Bakersfield, California to Las Vegas, Nevada, and the Red Noob is attacking homes and places in Las Vegas with the rocket launcher. All residents in Las Vegas will lock all doors and windows with tapes and towels. Don't go outside because the Red Noob will kill you. The Pixar Animation Studios filmmakers watch news about the Red Noob is attacking Bakersfield, California and Las Vegas, Nevada. The Pixar Animation Studios will build Wall-E and Eve to stop the Red Noob from Roblox. Stay tuned for more news and local area.
Welcome to breaking news serving the Los Angeles area. The Red Noob from Roblox attacks Bakersfield, California and Las Vegas, Nevada with rocket launcher. Wall-E and Eve will stop the Red Noob. What is going to happen next? The Red Noob, why you here at my place?
The following message is to Visalia Police Department. 5 minutes ago, the Red Noob destroyed the station in Los Angeles and goodbye to the station in Los Angeles until it rebuilt for years. At 6:40 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, the Red Noob is having a flamethrower and is heading to Visalia in 30 minutes. The Red Noob will start burning trees at the eastern Visalia and start making a wildfire in Visalia. All residents in Visalia will evacuate now. Bring water, drinks, clothing, medical supplies, food, charger, phone, television, bathing supplies, batteries, headphones, and furniture. Wall-E and Eve will stop the Red Noob. Stay tuned for more news and local area. The following message is Clovis Police Department. In Visalia 23 minutes ago, Wall-E and Eve founded the Red Noob and started battling each other. 5 minutes later, Eve finally killed the Red Noob and it is blowing apart in body parts. The garbage man tell Wall-E and Eve to bring the Red Noob's body parts into the trash and dump it in. Wall-E and Eve thanks for stopping the Red Noob and heading back to Pixar Animation Studios headquarters. Stay tuned for more news and local area.